People willing to take the risk of starting their own businesses are called entrepreneurs. There's no single road to becoming an entrepreneur. Some may hit upon an idea for a business by creating an item or providing a service for friends. Others may decide to quit working for someone else and strike out on their own. Or they may use their entire savings to buy a franchise, like a fast food restaurant. In exchange for training, access to products, and use of a brand name, the franchise owner pays a percentage of profits to the parent company. What is common among most entrepreneurs is the willingness to take a gamble. But smart entrepreneurs look carefully before they leap. They research answers to questions like, is there really a market for the product or service? What will startup costs be? Do I have enough savings and patience to make it work? The next step is to write up a viable business plan. This is particularly important if you intend to look for loans or investors. Be prepared to work long hours and to be responsible for your own benefits such as health care, sick leave, and vacation. While there are no educational requirements to becoming an entrepreneur, college and postgraduate courses can be very helpful in teaching business basics. Also, a business degree often makes it easier to arrange financing.
Want it for Thursday?
Besides a good idea, it takes self-confidence and persistence to create a business. With dedication and hard work, being an entrepreneur can be among the most satisfying and lucrative careers.
See you soon, okay?